Morning everyone, Mark with Desert Vegas Fishing, back with some more information for you. Today we're going to talk about 10 things you might not know about striped bass. So stay tuned, you might learn something and it might really help your fishing. So number one, striped bass can live over 40 years. Some striped bass are older than most fishermen catching them. A 40-year-old striper has survived nets, hooks, predators, pollution, and storms. That's basically the ocean version of a war veteran. Number two, they're born in fresh water, not the ocean. Even though we catch them in saltwater, striped bass are actually born in rivers. They start life in fresh water, migrate to the ocean, and then return to rivers to spawn. They're natural travelers. Number three, they can smell way better than you think. Striped bass have an extremely strong sense of smell. That's why scent-based baits and natural presentations work so well. If you smell your bait, trust me, the bass smelled it first. Number four, stripers don't have teeth, but they're still dangerous. No sharp teeth like sharks, but don't be fooled. They have powerful jaws and crushing plates in their throats designed to smash bait fish. That's how they destroy herring, shad, and bunker. Number five, they can recognize patterns. Striped bass learn fast. If you throw the same lure the same way every day, they can catch on. That's why switching retrieves and presentations can suddenly turn a slow day into a great one. Number six, they hunt in packs. Striped bass often work together to trap bait fish. They'll push schools toward the surface or shoreline, creating those explosive blitzes anglers dream about. When you see birds diving, chaos is happening underwater. Number seven, bigger stripers eat at night. The largest striped bass prefer darkness. Nighttime gives them cover and confidence. That's why some of the biggest stripers ever caught are after sunset. Number eight, they can handle extreme conditions. Stripers survive both cold northern waters and warm southern areas. They can adapt to changing salinity, temperature, and currents. That adaptability is a huge reason they've survived so long. Number nine, they communicate using vibration. Striped bass can sense vibrations through their lateral line. They feel movement, pressure, and even struggling prey from a distance. That's why subtle movements can be just as deadly as loud splashes. And number 10, one striped bass can produce millions of eggs. A single large female can release over 3 million eggs in one spawning season. Yet only a tiny fraction survive, making every major striper incredibly valuable to the population. Okay, as promised, I'm going to give you my two favorite lures for striped bass. First one is a lipless crankbait. I absolutely love these lures, especially for stripers. You can fish them deep, you can fish them shallow, you can jig them, you can pop them, you can troll them. I like them in shad color or the chartreuse and blue color. Just a wonderful, wonderful all-around lure. Like if you told me I have to take one lure, this would probably be it. So great lure. And the other one, just a nice little paddle tail right here. I like the greens and blues and the silvers and blacks. Really great lure, and it produces year-round. Put a jig head on it. Again, you can fish it deep, slow, multiple different ways you can fish it. So hope that helps. Go catch a whopper, and we'll talk to you next time. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. I appreciate it. You know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and stay tuned for another great episode. We'll see you next time. Thanks as always.